Wanna know how to launch your own custom iPhone clearcase business from design and sourcing to selling and marketing? To kick things off, we need to look at some design trends for iPhone clearcases. Let's check out some platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Etsy to see what's hot right now. Take notes of trending styles like minimalistic art, botanical themes, pop culture references, anything that stands out and fits your vision. These small flowers and fruits on the clear iPhone cases look so trendy and stylish. Next, we will use ChatGPT to refine our design ideas. It's a powerful tool for brainstorming and filtering creative concepts. I usually organize all product details, both big and small, in Excel, including titles, descriptions, reviews, and specifications. I will share the template for the Excel sheet here. To create these simple, minimal designs, we will copy and paste the design prompts into Microsoft DALL-E to generate them. This design looks great. You can download it and remove the background using remove.bg. Just upload the design and once proceed, download the background free version. I would like to try creating some designs using this flower that I really like. Now, let's remove the background using your MacBook. Just right click on the image, then select quick actions and choose remove background. Now, let's go to Canva and create design. Choose a width of 1500 pixels and a height of 1920 pixels. Upload the design. Now, adjust the design the way you want. You can cut certain parts and adjust the layers. Feel free to add text if you would like. Once happy, download it. Now, go to Printful and find the product you want. Click on Create Product Template. I will also provide some information about Alibaba. Upload the image here. Another way to remove the background is by simply clicking Remove Background here. Now, adjust the design. As you can see, our image has good print quality. After making adjustment, we can get a clear idea of how it will look. If you plan to sell through Alibaba, which is more cost-effective option with higher profit margins, you can provide exact specification to your manufacturer using Printful. Let's click on Mockup to see how it will look. Finally, click on Save to Templates. Alternatively, you can find a manufacturer using Alibaba. First, apply filters for trade assurance and verified supplier. I would like to show you other websites where you can find manufacturers such as their personal websites. However, for phone cases, we will proceed with Alibaba. Additionally, one of the benefits of using Alibaba or other manufacturers is that they can send inventory directly to fulfillment center. If we are selling on Amazon, it's advantageous to send inventory there, as Amazon tend to promote product with large quantities stored at their facilities. First, check the reviews here. You can also create a sheet to organize information about manufacturers, including their reviews, titles, descriptions, bulk prices, and sample costs. I will provide a sample sheet in the description. You can find manufacturers from here as well. Always contact at least 5 manufacturers and chat with them to gather more details. Once you feel confident they understand your requirements, order a few samples. Now, if you are using Printful, let me walk you through the final steps. Remember, the title, description, and keywords are essential no matter which platform or manufacturer you choose. Choose mockups, preferably simple ones with a white background for the main image. Later, you can download additional mockups and edit them using Canva to make them stand out. Now, the most important part, the title and description. Open your sheet with all the research products and manufacturers. Conduct keyword research using tools like Google Trend, SEMrush, and Helium 10. These tools offer free trials. Use ChatGPT to organize all the information systematically and tailor it to fit the specific platform. Don't forget to read the title and description from the perspective of a customer. Add keywords at the beginning and wherever they feel necessary, especially in places where a customer's eyes are likely to glance at. Copy and paste the title and description. If you are following these steps, remember to dedicate time to research and carefully craft the title and description. For the purpose of this video, I am going through these steps quickly, but when I list my product, I spend hours researching and writing them. Don't forget to include all the product details in the description, along with care instruction and any disclaimers user need to be aware of. Now, fill in the other details here. Especially, I add keywords in tags. Next, hit continue. It's time to do price research. If you have already shortlisted prices in your sheet, just check there. Calculate your total cost, including manufacturing and shipping, to determine your product price. Also, factor in advertising expenses, product quality, and your desired profit margin. Once ready, hit submit to the store. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.